want to my all video notification, please press the bell icon and share with your family friend, and please subscribe my channel. This channel has so many a lot with good video, easy and quick recipes. It's really helpful, you guys. So please watch the channel. My channel name is Cooking Hearty Food Recipes with Jasmine. So keep watching. I bring the new video very good, very easy. Bye bye. Hi, how are you everyone? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And today I'm bringing very good and very easy recipe. This recipe is so delicious. You can call snack. You can make this recipe when you don't have time and you are tired. You cannot make anything. So you hungry, but you don't have time to making it. You don't feel like making. Just make this one for the freezer after 6 months. Just take it out, bake it, and fry it, and enjoy this recipe. This recipe, I know you see the title, chicken Chinese spring roll. This recipe you can make in the just only vegetable. You can make in the chicken too. So I'm making a different way. So have you guys making like just chicken, get a chicken and boil and slaughter it, then make it. This is way it's good too, but I don't like it, like it smells coming out, so that's why I'm made it first. So I'm telling you guys, this is the I taking is 4 breast chickens. This is almost 2-3 kg chickens. So I'm put on the just 2.5 teaspoon of garlic paste, 2.5 teaspoon of ginger paste, and 1.5 teaspoon black pepper powder, and 1/2 lemon squeezed. So I put in the marination in 1 hour. Now I'm making first this chicken. This my recipes video is a little bit longer because I'm telling in the detail, and I give you guys in the tricks and how making delicious and crunchy when you want to bake it. No, it's like smells coming. Chicken is very good, delicious. So first we making chicken, then after I show you the next step what we do. So you guys look at this. I need a fry pan, any part what you have. I just using like 2-3 teaspoon oil, not too much oil. Any brand oil which one you like to using. So I'm using now the chicken breast like this. You guys get I'm nothing putting inside. Just it's black pepper, ginger, garlic paste, and lemon juice. So other masala spices. This is all to end after when it's done. So we cook it on one side like this. I'm not cover up anything. Just cook one side like this with slow to medium gas. One is done like 10-15 minutes. Then after that, 10 to 15 minutes. Slow to medium gas. One side is cooked right now. I never cover up now. I'm flip it up, then I'm cover up. It's almost like 10 minutes. Just one side, slow to medium gas. Flip with this. I get a spatula, so like do like this. I'll flip it all of them, then I show you guys. I'm flip up all of them now. I'm cover up right now. Slow to medium gas, and I'm telling you guys, I just put 2 to 3 teaspoon oil, not too much. Oil is not good for health too. It's cholesterol. So if like this much do it, and chicken if no smell like that, if you make it like this time, you can see how much tasty is your chicken spring roll. Chinese spring roll is coming out. Chicken vegetables Chinese spring roll. So now I'm covered up with aluminum foil. If you have any other fry pan top and anything, because I'm making it for this, we don't have top. I'm covered up with the aluminum foil. I'm covered up very nicely. 10 minutes. I'm just leave it like that, slow to medium gas. After 10 minutes, I'll show you guys. And this is my tip for you guys. I mean, to put it the first time, do not cover up. You cover up, and the second time you flip it, then it'll be good. Now it's cooking the one side and the out and half cook. So now I'm cover up the flip it inside and outside cook together, and no smells like that too and crunchy. So when it's done, and after 10 minutes, then I'll show you guys. So this is a very easy, quick tip. If you don't want to make it like this, breast chicken, you can boil the chicken and slaughter it. This was easy too. This one, if you make it like this, you need good taste. This is the best way. So after 10 minutes, I'll show you guys. Look at this. It's after 10 minutes before I'm doing the one side. Now I'm doing the one side. It's 10 minutes to 20 minutes. Chicken is done right now. It look like it's like a steamed vegetable with the mashed potato. This chicken breast will look like same like this. Yes, exactly. You have to make like that. So now I'm closed gas on. Gas I close it right now. So leave it cold, and I'm gonna cut for just for you so you guys look at it. Cook. And just when it's cold, I make it just small pieces, very small pieces, and this is crunchy. It's very nice, cook, yummy. And when this is done, cold, after when it is cold, the next step we going. Then I'll show you guys which one we do next. So let them cold first, chicken, then after show you guys. Chicken is cold now, so I'm doing with the fork. Show like this. I want to show you guys, look at that. Like this, but it takes so long. I want to do with my hands. Show like this. Why I'm showing you guys this one like the example like this? Because when we make it spring roll, and that look at that, it's crunchy, and with the eating is very good taste coming inside the roll. If you boil it, is sometimes when we have to frozen with the because it's Ramzan coming, even is not from Ramzan, we do the like snacks time, we have to make the food for the freezer. So when we like eat something light and we don't have time, we tired, so we have very good options. So we just take it out and bake it up. I'd show you guys like two different times, like fry and baking. This both is good. Some people don't like in the fryers and fry in the oil. Some people don't like the bake. So both I'm show you guys. So this one is very good. Is making like this the chicken, then making then very good taste. So I'm making like this all the chicken. Show like that, very small pieces. And then show you guys all it and done with that. With that like this, I make the chicken show like that, like this slices. You can see this like that. This is for spring roll, chicken spring roll Chinese. This is perfect for chicken like that. If you make it like this, when you're eating, it's so delicious, yummy, juicy taste. So chicken is there. Which vegetable I'm using? This is the vegetable I tell you guys. It depends on you which you like it. You can add the mushroom, you can add the vegetable broccoli, which you can add the cauliflower, any vegetable you like. This depends on you. Which one I'm using, I'll show you guys. I have this is two color of capsicum. I don't have yellow one. Have yellow one using it's fine too, because I have two colors. It look beautiful colors for that. So, as I have the carrot over here, slaughtered carrot like that, and the slices of like this is the capsicum. Two capsicum, large capsicum, and I have cabbage, half cabbage medium. This one, which one I'm using for that. And I tell you guys, if you want to just make it for the chicken, this is chicken, just only make the chicken with chicken vegetable spring roll. This is very good taste, yummy. So what you want to do next is show you guys, I get like 2 to 3 teaspoon oil, and I tell you guys I'm making two, like more than little bit more, not like little bit. So I make like maybe 100 chicken Chinese rolls. So this is a little bit more things. It depends on you how much you guys are making. So it's all the materials, spices, it depends on you how much you need it for that. So I'm adding chicken over here. Then show you guys next. I'm already at the chicken. I'm nothing putting inside. Chicken is already, you guys know, as a cook. Just 2 to 3 teaspoon oil, any brand oil which one you like it. So what I'm putting the next, I'll show you guys. I have this spice little bit. I have the chili flakes, 1 teaspoon. This is, if you know like spices, you can skip this one inside, so you can add this one. But I need a little bit more spices. We like spices, so 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 2 teaspoon of vinegar, 2 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon of Chinese salt. This is on your taste, and I am adding this is Chinese this spicy sauce too. So we adding inside soya sauce, vinegar, chili flakes, black pepper powder, Chinese salt. I'm adding this one is like maybe 2 teaspoon of this one. It's not even boiling yet, so I just put inside that mix. Now I mix it up all of them. This is like 2 teaspoon. Mix it up together, all of them, and cook like 2 to 3 minutes in the high gas, no slow, because I don't want to cook. This is already cooked. Just mix up this spices inside. Which one I'm doing next? Let me show you guys. This masala and this is spices. Can I'm adding all the material inside, then do it, but it's not good taste like this. This is a tip. You can do this and then see how much is good, how it's good. So I mix right now. Then after 2 to 3 minutes, I'm sure you guys how it's look like. It's just only 3 minutes. Now I'm adding the carrot inside, and this is this capsicum. We don't want to cook. I let you guys what we do. And this cabbage, I put them all of them inside. Then after show you guys. I'm putting all the vegetable inside. Now I mix. Then I'm show you guys. How it look like beautiful colors. See the red, green, orange, white chicken is inside. It's all the color look so beautiful. It's very like enjoy the colors. Yeah, so now I'm mixed up everything. So there is right now. You can taste if you need more spices in adding. When you put it, you can do it. Just only 5 minutes high gas. We have to just cook. No cover up. No cook more than that, because we don't want to cook when we bake it. When we fry it, this is all the materials inside, because it's very like thin slices. So if we cook, it's not good taste is coming inside the roll. When we bake, this is the vegetables, because you guys know they cook very like faster. Just only 5 minutes and the high gas. Just 5 minutes. No cover up. Do not make more than 5 minutes, because I don't want it just like soggy water coming out. So just 5 minutes on the high gas. 5 minutes is done right now. Look at that. How much is the when I'm putting? How much is right now? Just 5 minutes. No water coming out. Look at that. No water coming out, because if we cook, it's water coming out. So we don't need the water coming out. Look at that. Just for dry. Now I'm close the stone. Close the gas. Put the back. This one. Let them cool. Next step. Let me show you guys the final step. Just make like this. When you bake and when you fry it, this the both way is good. Then you see that you eat with the ketchup and you eat with the green sauce. So yummy taste and very easy, quick way. So let them cool. I close the gas. Let them cool. After 4 or 5 hours, look at that. It's cold now. Totally is cold. No warm. Totally cold. You have to make first cold. And so next what I'm doing, I have this is spring roll for. But this, so you can buy it very easily. For here in America, I think it's everywhere. You can find this easily. This one I have. So I check it out, make it for that. If you want to see this recipe how to make this patty, so you can comment below down the video. I can make this next video for you guys if you need this. How to make this patty. It's a very easy way. It's not like hard work. So I'm making too many. So that's why I just get it for that. So next one, what we need 2 eggs and 2 eggs, and that's just making this is the final steps now. And I told you guys 2 way, and I give tips and tricks too. So keep watching. First we need the egg. Okay. Make sure we get cooked very nicely. This inside. Next what I mean scissor. Cut this. Take it out. It's very easy. You need this like this. This inside. One millimeter like this over here. So next we need a spatula. Chili the material. And no need water inside. Make sure this is no water inside, not soggy. So we pick up like this. Very easy way. Like this, and make like this, and next we do the egg over here. And just put in the finger, alright, this. Very easy. Look that. So I'm making like all of them that like same like this, and I'm gonna show you guys one more. I show you guys one more. Just put like that, and after we need again. This is depend on you how much you want to put in that. Just put in like 1 teaspoon, something like this. Just the hold over here. Just flip like that. Little bit like this. Then hold over here. So go like that. Other one like this. Just one more time, and then we need egg. You can do with the white flour too, purple flour. So you can just put the water and make the paste and do with that too. I just usually do the eggs, so this is what that too. Like this. This is I'm making two, and I show you guys how to do it. This is a very good way, and I'm making them all of them. I have so many, so when we done all of them, then I show you guys. There is, you guys see it is done. I'm making all of them. This is 125 something. I need more material for that. I'm making the other one. So I want to just show you guys. This is I've done already making for that. I'm just making fry for just show you guys how is this look like. And this is you making put in the freezer up to like 3-4 months. You can just take it out, bake and fry. This is depend on you. This is so delicious. Eat with the green sauce and the brown sauce. These are on my channel. The video comments, so you guys see that. So I just make this for just show you guys how is it look like, and very easy way. So keep watching. This is all of them. I put in the freezer, then take it. Then when it's freeze, then take it out and make the bag. Then I put it back in the Ramadan, because it's Ramadan coming. So I just want to take it out, and just before fry, take it out like 15 minutes. Just fry and maybe bake whatever I like it. Both ways good. Just and I put in the egg. It's easy. I like to do that with egg. Now I'm making the fry this one, because with the fryer I already make the things inside the sometimes samosa, pakoda. Then making this. The oil is warm right now, not too much hot, not too much is just now I'm adding inside. But see, it's not too much hot, because I don't need too much hot, because it's burnt and coming out just like this. It's warm. Just 5-7 minutes is done with that. After a few seconds, it's cooking right now. When one side done, then I flip that then we'll show you guys. So there is done now. I'll take it out. Just all you have to do is like 6 to 7 minutes. If you want to make brown, more brown, so you can do more. I don't like that color. It's like I like this one color, and which I show you guys what I do with this. That's why it's the coming out. This is I give me tip, and please listen, okay? This one I put with the egg. So this one, some people are using with the water, just with the water, then in evaporate. This one is the egg, so you can see this. This is not coming out. This is very good. This one is just pop it up with the water. So I put the water on my hand and just do this now on egg. So please do with egg. Now I'm showing you guys next step. So you guys final look. This chutney, as you can see, this is sweet and sour chutney. This is this sauce. It's sauce. Sweet and sour sauce. This is a video on my channel. You can see that one. You can see that too. So this one I show you guys very hard. Look how much crunchy. Wow, yummy. Look at that. So you dip it inside, and it is so hot. I cannot be eating. I just want to show you guys. It's so delicious and so yummy. This is it done. Now just put in the freezer. Just put in the freezer. Just take it out. And before freezing, this is you can keep like 3 to 4 months. You have no time. You need something to eat, snack. As a guest come in the house, party, even for kids, everybody loves that, because this one is not taking so long time. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and share with your family friends. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Bye.